Hello everyone, I'm Twisha from Mechanical Regular and today I'm going to talk about Kirchhoff's voltage law. Today we'll be discussing about introduction to Kirchhoff's laws, Kirchhoff's voltage law which is KVL and analysis of circuits of Kirchhoff's laws. In the history of Kirchhoff's laws, Robert Kirchhoff was a German physicist and the main man who described the two laws that became the central to electrical engineering. And these laws were generalized from the work of Ohm. And in the introduction, what does the Kirchhoff law do? A pair of laws stating the general restrictions on the current and voltage in an electric circuit. And how does that help? It is stated that at any given instant, the sum of voltages around a closed path or a loop in the network is zero. What exactly is a node? It is a point in a circuit at which at least two elements are joined. And what is a junction? It is a point in a circuit at which at least three elements are joined. And to be noted, a junction must be a node, but a node may or may not be a junction. There is no such necessity that a node has to be a junction. A loop. A loop current is defined as a constant current flow around a closed path or a loop. And what is a closed path? A closed path is a path through the network that ends where it starts. And the types of Kirchhoff's laws. Kirchhoff's laws are two types: Kirchhoff's current law, KCL, and Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL. Kirchhoff's current law is the first law derived or described by Kirchhoff, and Kirchhoff's voltage law or KVL is the second law described by Kirchhoff. In Kirchhoff's laws quantify how current flows through a circuit and how voltage varies around a circuit as a loop. There are two laws, as I told: Kirchhoff's current law, the first law, and Kirchhoff's voltage law. What is Kirchhoff's current law? The total current entering a junction or a node is equal to the charge leaving the node as no charge is lost. And we'll be discussing about KVL in detail. Introduction to KVL. Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL, is one of the fundamental laws in electrical engineering. The other Kirchhoff's and the other being Kirchhoff's current law, which is KCL. KVL is a fundamental law, as fundamental as conservation of energy in mechanics. For example, KVL is really conservation of electrical energy. KVL and KCL are the starting point for analysis of any circuit. KCL and KVL always hold and are usually the most useful piece of information you will have about a circuit and after the circuit itself. Kirchhoff voltage law states that the algebraic sum of the voltages across any set of branches in a closed loop is zero. That is, summation of voltage across branches is equals to zero. The Kirchhoff voltage equation is obtained by transversing a circuit loop in either direction and writing down unchanged the voltage of each element whose plus terminal is entered first and writing down the negative of the element's voltage where the minus sign is first met. The loop must start and end at the same point. It does not matter where you start on the loop. And there is to be noted the current direction must be assumed. The assumed current creates a voltage across each resistor and fixes the position of the plus and minus signs of the passive sign convention is obeyed. You always have to assume the perfect direction for the current flow so that you may not have any further errors in the calculation or the result of the equation. The assumed correct direction polarity of voltage across each resistor must be in agreement with passive sign convention for KVL analysis to work. The voltages in the loop may be summed in either direction. It makes no difference except to change all the signs in the resulting equation. If you make a small error during the assumption of the current direction, you might have to change all the signs in the resulting equation. What is mesh analysis? Mesh analysis is basically analysis using KVL to solve for the currents around each closed loop of the network and hence determine the currents through and voltages across each of the network. Mesh analysis has a stepwise procedure, and in the procedure, the step 1 is assign a distinct current to each closed loop of the network. You have to assign distinct current to each closed loop of the network uh, to find the to, to make the further process. Step 2. Apply KVL around each closed loop of the network. After assigning the distinct or direction to the current in each closed loop of the network, you have to apply KCL for each closed loop of the network. And step 3, you solving the resulting simultaneous linear equations for the current loop. As you apply KVL, they will be forming some simultaneous linear equations which you further solve and find your results. Thank you.